Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news so that you stay up to date in the world of Web3. Today, guys, I was going to have a guest on today. They are actually coming on next week now. So we're just going to freestyle today. We're going to have a look at the market. We're going to do some live trades. So let me know, should I go long or short? We'll do some degen trades, 100x. I'm feeling it today. I've got about 3K in the Blofin account. So let's either blow it or we'll go to 100K. But who have we got in the chat right now? We've got Drew. Good to see you. GM Spud, jump in the pool so Bitcoin can go to 100K. If Bitcoin goes to 100K while on stream, I will jump in the pool for sure. Whether fully clothed or naked, I'll let the chat decide. We got Unicorn in the chat. GM, good to see you, sir. And we've got the hairy bull bag as well. Hope you're doing well, guys. And Steve, as always, is saying click the like, guys. Click the licks. We could click the links as well. I don't know what that would be, but click the likes and please subscribe, guys, because it does help the algorithm. And we've got Alex as well. Alex, good to see you. But let's get straight into it. We've got Bitcoin. Obviously, I'll take it onto the chart, actually, because we need to have a look at this. Look, we've got the 100K level mapped out there. And then this big, it came below, and then a big red candle all the way down to, let's have a look, 91,000 roughly, 91,500. Straight back up though. Let me know if you caught it. I didn't have any buy orders in myself for that one. I was actually sleeping while this all happened. Saying that, I feel like I haven't slept at all in like 2 weeks. It's been super hectic. I know a lot of you guys are trading successfully as well. Let me know in the chat, are you using Stonksy? Stonksy actually called, we're looking at it here, Stonksy actually called a bad position. So it called it up here, and it's probably just at a loss if you got into this position. Obviously, if you had taken profits at 102, it was the good call. But yeah, this seems to be a little bit out of the blue. But will we be going back to 100K before the weekend? I don't think I'm going to be jumping in that pool. I think we're going to range below here, maybe head back down to these levels here, the 96K levels. We've also got Bruce. Bruce, hope you're doing well. Good to see you. Good day. Ben as well. Good to see you. And we got Space Yacht in the chat as well. Good to see you, my man. Stonksy called it on the 3-minute chart. Okay, let's have a little look at the 3-minute. And we'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, yeah. So if we zoom into this part. Nice. Okay, yeah, brilliant. On the 3-minute, called it lovely. Called it from 90, almost 99,000. If you had taken profit down here, that would have been a killer move. Let's mark that out. Let's have a quick look. Say we got it from there. If you manage to get it around here, oh, lovely, 7%. Add some leverage to that. You're laughing. That's a great position. Let me know though in the chat. Have you been trading Bitcoin or have you been trading altcoins? I've been looking more at different altcoin pairs, to be honest. Right now, I've been accumulating DOT, wanting to accumulate Blast as well. If you've got any altcoins that you want me to look at, put them in the chat as well. And we've even got Stonksy in here as we're talking about Stonksy. Make sure to drop a like, guys. And also, Stonksy goes live with Dave every day at 12 o'clock. So when I end this stream today, make sure you head over to Stonksy as well. Let's have a look at the rest of the market. We normally place a trade on Sol as well. So let me know in the chat now, long or short on Sol. Sol's at around 235. We'll have a little look at that as well. But we've got Ethereum. Ethereum's been doing well, still up 8% in the last 7 days. 3,800 currently. I feel like this is going to $4,000 very soon. You're going to see altcoins perform well as well. Let's have a quick look at the top gainers as well. I may have to go on to the dreaded coin market cap or CoinGecko to see the best 7 days. But we can see here FTX, BitDAO, Layer Zero. I know a lot of people in our community, shout out to Christian, have been looking at Layer Zero. Let's click into Layer Zero now. See what rank it is. Okay, now in the top 100, rank 70, almost $1 billion market cap. The fully diluted is what kind of scares me off. I remember looking at this earlier on in the year when Christian in the CSE Discord put it there, and I think that's what scared me off originally. You know, you've got a low circulating, low current circulating supply to its max supply, which is a bit worrying. You know, this means that as the project goes on, these tokens will be unlocked probably to the foundation. You know, hopefully they'll be spending them on marketing. But as we all know, sometimes CEOs and founders of these projects, they can be cashing that in and buying new Ferraris and all sorts, you know, new islands, especially with projects worth this much. So it does worry you, you know. Also, people that are in the pre-sale, not even in the team, they'll be getting token unlocks as it comes along. So always something to bear in mind. There are platforms that you can look at to check when the unlock dates are. And a lot of people will trade those unlock dates as well. You know, for example, if you see 1% more circulation coming into supply on a certain date, you can put a short position because you can imagine when those tokens get unlocked, people are going to sell. We've got Gary in the chat saying, I pulled out of XRP, very happy, approximately a 6x, placed 1K into ETH, 10x, and similar into Doge. Gary, love to see it, man. Let's have a look at XRP now. Where are we at with XRP? I think we hit heights. XRP went up to like 290, I believe. I don't think it hit $3, down at 226. So well done on taking the profit there, Gary. Let's have a quick look at the chart. Let's go on to the 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So we actually, 290 exactly. That was the all-time high. So if you manage to sell anywhere between the kind of 250 to 290 region, hats off, well played. Where does XRP go from here, in my opinion? You can see we've kind of closed off this level here, actually. So either we come back down to the kind of 180 levels. I don't think so. I think if we see Bitcoin and ETH start to perform well, XRP will continue some momentum, not the momentum it's seen. But I think from here, the kind of 220 is a good buy for me, actually. I think 220, we come back up to 250 and then perhaps, retest all-time highs from there. So 220 for XRP might actually be a good buy. But let me know, Gary, where did you take profit? Did you manage to take profit towards the highs, or have you just decided, okay, to me, this is going low. I think this is going to 180. I'll take profit here. We've got Royal in the chat as well. GM, good to see you. And we've got the Militant Youth Sound System. Hope you play some bangers, sir. Let's have a look at Stonksy. Let's have a look on Solana. Let me just pull this up for you guys. Let's go Sol USD. Let's have a quick look. So this is on the 3 minute. The 3 minute is going, we're not at the right time. Apologies. So the 3 minute has actually gone long. Let's check the 15 minute, and then we will place a live trade on Blofin. The 15 minute is contradicting and has gone short. At this point, I will look at the 5 minute as well. 5 minute is still in a short position, and the 1 minute is in a long position. So actually, Stonksy's contradicting itself slightly here on Stonksy. I personally quite like the 15 minute. I think for live stream trades, the 5 minute is good as well. For me, perhaps we pull back up to these 240 levels. Do you know what? Let's go over to Blofin. I'm going to place in this market. We normally go long. Let me just pull this over. Why is the tab not come over? Bear with me. Okay, so I'm tempted here to place in a long position. Let's go 100 long, market order that, and we're checking on that at the end of the stream, guys. Let me go on to the 1 minute. Yeah, we're on the 1 minute. Let me zoom in here so we can see what we're up to. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on this, and we'll tune back in at the end of the stream and check up on that. But let's head back to CSE. And guys, if you're wanting to join CSE Plus, we did have the Black Friday discount code, but that has gone. It was so popular, though, we thought, why not? All-time high, let's celebrate. So as you can see by the little banner scrolling along the bottom here, if you want to join CSE Plus, all you have to do is, it's community monthly. All you have to do is put in the code all-time high 80. That will give you 80% off, making it £20 a month. You get access to all our Discord. And if you like it while you're there, you can upgrade to premium. Premium, you get one-to-one tuition with myself, legal advice as well. So if you're looking to sort out your taxes, a lot of people are going to make a lot of money this crypto run. It's best to sort out your taxes and know what you're doing before. Also, if you want one-to-one trading education through Block Pro, that's all on CSE Plus Discord as well, guys. So make sure to join there. We've just shown Blofin as well. If you're looking to trade on Blofin, we have an amazing deal going right now. TMG actually negotiated this deal for ages. He was taking his time with it. I wanted him to do it, but he said not until the deal is right. So for people signing up with our deal, you actually get access to the VIP tier 1. So that's the best VIP tier system. I believe you get that for 2 months, and then it goes off depending on the amounts you trade. If you trade a lot, it will maintain at that VIP level 1 as well. We've also got Bobby from DC in the chat. Lovely to see you, Bobby. That Martini guy is saying, stay on longer. I'm posting to Twitter now. I've got a call at 6 TMG. I've got a call in 20 minutes, but we'll cover some more bits. So we've locked in the trade on Blofin. We'll go through the news now. We're in a little bit of a profit there. Let's head back to CSE website. Let's have a look at the news. Let's see what we got going. We mentioned, if you caught the stream yesterday, we mentioned all the Hawk Tour controversy going on with Haley Welch with the meme coin. That went up to 500 mil, then back down to 40 mil, and it's currently at 25 mil. So I will cover that shortly as well. Let's go on to the news here and see what we've got going. So guys, on the website as well, we have lots of guides, lots of information. If you're looking to learn as well, we have lots of free courses. CSE Plus members get more courses. They get the more in-depth courses as well. Amongst those courses, there's courses on, how to find a career in Web3. I know a lot of people are listening in probably on their lunch break at work, looking for, a new career, a new path. And a lot of you will, be very well versed with cryptocurrency and Web3 already. So it makes a natural step for you to come into, a booming, ever-growing industry. And we can help with that, not only through the courses, but also within the Discord as well. Let's have a scroll down. Let's have a quick look at some of these bits. So this is one of the stories I wanted to bring up today. Let's just load this. So South Korea's retail crypto trading hits 18 billion as altcoin frenzy intensifies. So South Korea's retail crypto trading hit 18 billion in 24 hours, driven by altcoin demand. Learn about XRP's rally, Bitcoin, ETFs, and November's record 2.9 trillion exchange volumes. Let's have a look here. So this remarkable uptick reflects a wave of retail enthusiasm driven by high momentum altcoins, with major tokens like XRP, Dogecoin, and Stellar seeing unprecedented activity. So the altcoin frenzy, XRP leads the pack. So in a 2nd of December report, Marcus, founder of 10x Research, revealed that South Korean crypto trading volumes hit their 2nd highest level of the year, spurred by a surge in altcoin demand. Ripple's XRP dominated trading activity with $6.3 billion in volume, followed by Dogecoin with 1.6, Stellar with 1.3, Ethereum name service, that's ENS, with 900 million, and Hedera HBAR. We've seen HBAR have an amazing few months. I think HBAR actually had the #1 spot for the highest return last month, I believe. But as it says here, these high momentum cryptocurrencies are being driven predominantly by retail traders, capitalizing on reinforcing momentum driven trends. Tokens like XRP, ENS, and HBAR saw exceptionally weekly gains of 90%, 73%, and 168% respectively. XRP's rally was particularly historic, with its price surging from 50 cents to a yearly high of $2.80 on the 2nd of December, eclipsing Solana and Tether in market cap to become the 3rd largest cryptocurrency. Yeah, we can't blow over this. XRP overtaking Tether that was crazy for me. I've been given a lot of chip to XRP over the bear market over the last few months. But the XRP holders are laughing now. So let me know in the chat if you hold XRP. Did you manage to hold it from the lows down at 50 cents? We got Gary saying, got to run. Dad's taxi has a fare. Daughter's 8. Gary, thank you for tuning in. I will see you very soon. Glad to hear that your XRP trade went well. Let me know if you're trading with Stonksy as well. Okay, so we're going to head over to Twitter. We got some news on TMG's page. Let's just head over there. Let me pull it up. Let me know as well if anyone traded on Oxfund last night as well, because there was some amazing volatility with meme coins. If you caught some shorts and some also some rises back up from the shorts there as well, it was good. Okay, so we're on that Martini guy's Twitter. Guys, make sure to follow that Martini guy. It's Martini Guy YT is the official. Any others are all fakes. Let's have a quick look. Okay, here we go. Breaking. Margex crypto exchange blew up yesterday. This isn't the first time the news has been broken. Here are the details. So Margex accepts deposits for collateral in any asset. The idea being you can use any asset to leverage any trade. Margex has been refusing payouts to users for a few days that were using XRP as collateral. Classic. So look, you can see here they put out an email, put out a statement. Dear user, we are following up on our previous communication regarding the delisting of XRP USD and the rollback of XRP USD trades. On December 4th, 2024, we have received a notice from our liquidity providers, counterparties, that due to extreme market volatility and surging demands for XRP, the auto deleveraging mechanism for the XRP USD trading pair did not function as intended. Following the liquidation of short positions, the corresponding long positions were not deleveraged, resulting in a counterparty incurring unprecedented negative balances, refusing to settle XRP USD trades, and requiring us to claw back previously settled trades. To prevent further disruption and potential cascading issues, trading for the XRP USD pair was suspended to allow time to address the problem and ensure market integrity. So TMG saying here, he said, this has led to users of Margex taking to X to report their issues. This user lost over $280,000. This is crazy, man. This is what you see during a bull run. You do see exchange, even in a bull run, exchanges can come into issues. People expect it during a bear market when liquidity is tight. But then, when they're using pairs like this and XRP goes through the roof, stuff happens. But we've got TMG in here saying, make sure to give a like, guys. Press like. Please give a boost. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn channel notifications on as well. We go live every day. I normally have some amazing guests on. Yesterday, we had the CEO of Oxfun, Nico, who's an absolute meme coin master. Guys, so we have some good guests coming next week as well. I can give away. We have Block Pro on Monday, so that's going to be more trading based. And then we also have the CEO of BonkBot coming on next week as well. So make sure to stay tuned and turn channel notifications on for that. But let's have a quick look further down here. So Crypto Painter said, how Margex.com stole 280K from me and countless other XRP holders. Do not use Margex, they will steal your funds. I had several XRP positions open from 60 cents and 200K in realized gains. Let's click into this here. From 200K in unrealized gains. Margex nullified all XRP trades on their platform. What's worse, they clawed back my gains from previous weeks and locked my account, preventing me from withdrawing 80K worth of XRP not in trades. Now my account balance is zero. So not only did they turned off his active trades, but the actual funds that are still in his account, they've ceased now as well. So saying, I've been in crypto for a while and I'm used to rug pulls, but this one really stings. I know other XRP users lost too, and Margex.com is just ignoring us. If Coffee Break, CoffeeZilla, or ZachXBT can investigate, I have receipts. I'm raising awareness to warn others about this robbery. Do not use Margex. Your funds are not safe. They can nullify your winning trades, claw back your previous gains, and forcefully take your assets. I hope regulation comes as soon as we can have the safer places to trade crypto. I'm sick of being scammed. Beware and learn from my experience. Don't let them steal your valuable crypto. I think CoffeeZilla is going to be super busy this run. I've already seen him make a video on the Hawk Tour stuff. He's already been super involved with all of that. ZachXBT as well. They're cool in for them, but that's not cool, man. 200K in unrealized gains, and then 80K that he had in his account as well. This goes without saying, but if you have funds in Margex, you probably can't get them out anyway. But at least try, guys. This can give a liquidity shock to the exchange and make things worse, but in these situations, put yourself first is my best advice. Some people will blame people for withdrawing from exchanges when there's FUD, but in my opinion, you should always put yourself first. That's the best trading advice I can get. People telling you not to withdraw from exchanges are probably worried about their own funds and probably have withdrawn themselves. So TMG says it gets worse. Margex is now suspending withdrawals and requesting extra fees to withdraw. Typical scam. You see this in emails. Like I have a lot of people come to me through Discord, through the community, and they're saying, look, I've just got this email from an exchange I used to use in 2017, and they're saying that I've got $20,000 of this altcoin and $50,000 of this Bitcoin that I forgot about. And the first thing I ask them, I go, okay, like, do you remember having anything in that account? Yeah, like maybe it was like $10 or something. Okay, so how, we'll look at the market. Bitcoin hasn't gone up that much. How have you got 50,000 of that? Okay, what are they asking in the email? Okay, they're asking for more details. Okay, they're asking you to send them a withdrawal request fund, you know, where you send, they put it all nicely and they say, look, to withdraw these funds, there is, you know, since the exchanges has gone into different hands, there is a fee to withdraw these funds. So please send us $500. You send those $500. They come back with another email saying, oh, we're really sorry, but you know, this new mechanism hasn't worked. It's actually going to be 1,500 because we've found that you've actually got $200,000 in your account. So they hype you up. They make you think that you've got lots of money that you know is rightfully yours, and they're just going to give it back to you. But it's all fake. You know what people do? They will get the email list. They send out. But with Margex, what they're doing now, you know, requesting withdrawal fees, looks like they're just trying to scrape as much funds. Could be in the hands of the wrong people. You never know. They could be the scammers right now. Perhaps the website's gone down. You know, perhaps they've been hacked. Doesn't sound like it. It seems like they've just driven out of liquidity. We've got that Martini guy also saying again, there's 53 people here. Press like and subscribe. Make sure you turn those channel notifications on for when I go live every day, guys. It's going to be a good run, so make sure to tune in. So TMG is also saying they are actually stealing money from people's accounts. Would be nice as Margex stole 2,603 XRP from me. So that's worth, you know, just over 10K, roughly. So now they are completely scamming. So TMG saying, my source tells me not during the crash yesterday, it liquidated so many accounts after too much leverage buildup. The business is now insolvent and does not have enough money to pay its users out in full. This is why they are limiting withdrawals. FTX 2.0, but smaller. Within months, this platform will be gone. If you can withdraw, retweet this thread, save your friends. Yeah, I'm going to give that a retweet as well, Jordan, so people see that from the CSE account. Hopefully no one was affected. It is quite a small exchange. But yeah, let me know in the chat if you've ever used Margex or if you have been victim to this. We've got Crypto Bash in the chat, LFG. I'll give Crypto Bash a shout out. Crypto Bash is from the CSE Plus community. He's an amazing guy, you know, deep into the meme coins, and he's actually launched his own meme coin called the 1% Club. So check that out, guys, on Deck Screener. The ticker is 1. If you want to talk about it more, head over to the CSE Plus Discord and tag Crypto Bash, and he'll tell you all about it. Let's have a quick look back in on the trade on Solana. We've got the 1 minute up. Okay, we're in a slight profit here. If we go down, let's have a look on the position. Okay, very, very minor right now, but better than a smack in the teeth. $20 profit on this one. I will leave that open right now because I believe we may be heading to some of these, at least 237 level, ideally the 240 level. So I will be leaving that on. Let's go back to the markets page on here. Let's have a quick flick through. Guys, if you've got any altcoin suggestions as well, please whack them in the chat. Any meme coin suggestions, I will go through those. Let's have a quick look back at the markets now. We've got math as well. Easy to forget. Crypto exchanges aren't banks, not your keys, not your coins. Exactly, math. And if people are looking to learn more about this, we have courses, guides, all about online safety, all about not your keys, not your crypto, all of that. And we've got MOE, SEI. Let's have a look at Say. Let's scroll down. I believe it should be on the second page here. So recently I have put $5,000 into Say myself. Did I miss it? No, let's go click here. So I'm bullish on Say. You know, they're doing a lot marketing wise. I think it's slightly slept on here. You know, 68 cents. My average buy was around 50 cents for Say. I'm looking to hold this till around March time. So for me, it's a 2 to 3 month 2 to 3 month hold, and from there, depending on the progress of the chain, I'll make my decision as it comes. We've got TMG, also a big Say holder as well. TMG saying Say is a bit cheaper today. So if we look at the chart, let's go on to Stonksy. We'll have a look at Say on here as well. Okay, let's have a look at Say and see what it's saying on the 5 minute. So I actually called it wrong on the 5 minutes. Go up to the 1 hour. Okay, so nice move on the 1 hour. Called it lovely there. As you can see, it's kind of filling in down here as well. It could come down to 65 cents, 64 cents, in my opinion. From there, if we can find support, I reckon we head back up from there. Right now, it is struggling with 73 cents up here. Let's scroll out a little bit. Yeah, the chart is looking absolutely brilliant. So you can be patient. If you want to be patient and put buy orders in at that 60 cents level, it may well hit. If we see some more downside, that may well hit. For me, I want to add more to my say bag, and I think 60 cents, it may just zoom on past that and it may never hit. So for me, I'm looking at kind of 64, 65 cents. If we drop there today, I'll be adding more to my bag as well. Let's see what else we got in the chat here as well. We've got mentions of Mantle. Yeah, we'll have a look at OM in a second. That would be good. And Militant Youth saying, oh yeah, I remember you saying that before on a stream. Good to know. So Mantle is Bybit. Let's have a look at Mantle. Let's pull that up. So I've got to admit, with my Mantle, I was actually selling it off, during the summer. Missed some of the big moves. If we go onto the day, we can see how badly I fumbled this. Yeah. So yeah, I've been selling my Mantle off probably from around June time. So at the 86 to $1.30 levels, and boom, it's 4x. So serves me right. This green candle was absolutely crazy. Let's go on to the 1 hour, see if Stonksy caught it there as well. Zoom out a little bit. Oh, brilliant. So if you were looking at Stonksy on the 1 hour, I'll just zoom in here. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, let's get the tool out here. Called it from here. If you took profit at the top, say 212% move. Absolutely crazy. If you traded that with leverage on Bybit, hats off to you, sir. That is amazing, and it's actually been quite good ever since as well. Called a short here, slightly down from there. If we go now, no position, it's calling right now, but I think it's perhaps coming back down to the kind of probably around these levels. If we can find support just below $4, if we fall below that, yes, could go much lower, back down to $3.50. What else have we got in the chat? Let's have a quick look. Big gains on Mantle, yes. Rupaloop, mate, look into MLC. It's the most environmentally friendly game in crypto. Okay, so I'll have a look at MLC. Let's go on to I'll go on to CoinGecko to check that out, because I imagine it's a low cap, not one I've heard of myself. The only thing is ringing alarm bells for me here is environmentally friendly and gaming. Two narratives I'm not too keen on right now. We've seen a lot of people try to go down the the eco route, the environmentally friendly route, and it doesn't always work out. Gaming as well, it's for me it's a bit of a buzzword. True top tier AAA games cost minimum $500 million to create, and the integration that game can have with Web3 just doesn't qualify it. I think we're going to see games like GTA, when they come out, they'll have some kind of in-house blockchain system in the background. Perhaps they'll even have their own token, but for them as well, it's almost too much of a risk. A lot of these big players still don't want to get involved. We're seeing it all with the celebrity meme coins. It's going to put other celebrities off. Now they're saying, Hayley Welches may get arrested, or at least she's going to have to, go to court and stuff like this. So we're still in that early stage, guys. So if you're looking at crypto like, this is risky, this is risk. The risk is good. The risk is where the reward is. Without the risk, everyone else, all these big companies with multi-millions would just be funneling money into it. But right now, they don't want to take that risk. So where there's risk, there's reward, for people like us to take that and grow in this industry. So I don't think regulation in crypto will be legitimate for, probably the next 5 to 10 years. And then in 10 years, yes, you will see games really full port into crypto and everything. But yeah, sorry, I was going to have a look at MLC. Let's have a look at MLC. Let's pull this up here. But don't get me wrong, some games can absolutely smash it. And, likewise with eco-friendly tokens as well. Okay, let's pull up MLC. My lovely coin. I will share this tab instead. Okay, let's wait for this to load. I will go on to market cap. Oh, brilliant. Nice little 3x if you called that. So, okay, when was the pump there? 2nd of December. Well done. Will I be buying this now? Probably not, although we are still, this is a super low market cap here with MLC. My lovely coin. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look at their website. My Lovely Planet. Okay, so the mobile gaming studio with global impact. Website looks a bit naff. We are backed by the greatest leaders of the gaming industry, Ubisoft, Unity, selected and powered. But when people say, when people like use things like this, saying, "Oh, we're partnered with Ubisoft," often is not the case. They may have like had a call with Ubisoft or someone. Our partners, nothing stands out. Forbes, yeah, of course. Looks a bit scammy to me. If you're part of the team, let me know. If I'm seeing this wrong, let me know. But where's the incentives? Where's the incentives for people? Most people here, yeah, we all say we want to be eco-friendly and green, but at the end of the day, most people don't care, even if they say they do. Okay, okay. I'm being a bit harsh here. I'm going through it. Some of it does look quite good, but I see a lot of this come across my plate. Okay, we've got some of the team here: Clement, XCO, yeah, Vincent. Okay, big team. Looks good. I think they're all European, French. Advisors. Okay, yeah, looks okay. I think probably the price it is at now is probably fairly priced with that. But thanks for bringing that one up. We've got Math saying it's free Chippy Friday. Yes, it is free Chippy Friday. Make sure to go get your fish and chips. But guys, I have to pop off now. I do have a call. Make sure to go tune in to Stonksy. That is live on Stonksy's YouTube channel. They'll be going through all the technical analysis using Stonksy as well. If you're looking to join CSC Plus Discord, make sure to use the code ALLTIMEHIGH. So ATH80 for 80% off. Guys, I hope you have an amazing weekend. Stay trading, stay active. See ya. Take care. Bye. Bye.